6:03 now, and back to our top story. Downed trees, flooded roads, property damage. This morning, neighbors throughout the Philadelphia region are checking to see what that wild weather overnight has done to their homes and cars. Eyewitness News reporter Matt Petrillo is live in Pottstown this morning to show us some of the damage. Matt, good morning.
Hi, good morning. Yeah, this is not how people wanted to start their morning. If you take a look, you can see this tree is toppled right over this house. It kind of broke up the road, and part of the sidewalk you can see is just a bunch of muck is left behind. A very deep hole there as well. It's just so much damage here. James lives just a couple doors down from where this tree happens. I mean, you came out just to look at this.
Yeah, I just came home from work, and my wife had told me about it last night. I can't believe it. That's amazing. That's amazing. Speechless.
There's a lot of trees all up and down this street here in North Franklin Street in Pottstown.
The whole north end is bad. I was coming through here. I had to drive slow, watch myself. Debris, leaves and stuff on cars. Some other trees down. A lot of damage.
Yeah, so many roads are very slick. Take a look at some video we have from just a little bit ago. There was actually this is probably just one of several car crashes. Take a listen.
Beautiful.
This happened over on High Street where roads were very slick. It looks like a car rear-ended another one. This is one of probably a few crashes, but it seems like either the two drivers knew each other or didn't mind the fender bender because both cars then kept going. Meantime, take a look at some video of almost knee-high water not far from here on High Street and Roland Avenue in Pottstown. Crews had to rescue an 86-year-old woman after her friend's car stalled in the water. Well, she's thankful the crews helped her to safety. She tells us it wasn't pleasant. She could actually feel the leaves under the car as it kind of was slick and just sliding all over the road. She said she knew that they were in good hands, though. Meantime, the harsh winds also blew a roof off of a nearby apartment building. We're also told that several transponders were blown. We have all that coming up in the next half hour. For now, reporting live in Pottstown, Matt Petrillo, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Matt, a lot of work ahead today. Thank you. We'll see you in 30 minutes.